Hey there, I'm Arthur with Innovative Journaling, and I'm going to demonstrate our serger and how we make the fabric pouches for our journals. So let's get started on making a pouch for this, and I'll show you how we do them. We do them all to order. First thing, we have a template, and we have our fabric here, the black and the green, and we just first thing we do is just cut the fabric for the template. We have templates for all the different size books. You know, this table is just particle board. There's no cutting mat on it. And we've used it that way for years. Now, it doesn't cut as well as it used to, but it lasted for a really long time, and we had the best cuts on it. Okay, so once I get the fabric cut to this square, I'm just going to cut around it, and I'll show you that in a sec. Like this. So there we go. And so this is a Juki MO3600 series. It's a 3612 serger. It can do 4 threads, but we just use it for 3. And here's what we do. First thing we're going to do is we're going to serge the top edge so it doesn't fray. So this serger runs at about 6,000 stitches a minute. It's fast. Really easy to control too. So the next thing, so we got that serge now, right? Here's our little ends. And the next thing we're just going to do is fold it over and straighten it up. So the top flap comes down a little, almost to the bottom, like right there. And that's good. We'll pull it up a little more. Okay, and then we're going to serge around there. And so we got this, and then we're just going to take it, and we're going to make little triangles like that, and sew off just not very much, because it's not a thick book. I'm pulling on back here because there's a little knife back here. Just cut the extra threads. It's really easy. And here's the pouch, and haha, perfect fit every time. Then we'll wrap this in some leather lace we make downstairs. Thanks for watching, and see you on another demo video. Bye.